Karai, I bring you the red-haired girl's Tanto Blade.
So, Splinter finally made April a Kunoichi, eh? Kind of a shock.
What? Yes, she seems so frail and clumsy when you first look at her. Like a silly red bird.
Well, this Kunoichi tracked your butt down, Karai. What are you doing anyway?
None of your business. Just go.
We'd like to know what's going on here, too.
Leo, calm down. The brainworm that was controlling me is gone. I'm not your enemy.
Oh? So then why did your crazy friend attack us?
It was only a test to see her skills. Shinigami's an old friend from Japan. She was never gonna hurt you.
At least not permanently.
She's telling the truth. That brainworm thing is gone. They're not after us. They're after...
Shredder.
So what's up with the headgear, Princess? Daddy issues?
I want to rebuild the Foot. Bring back honor to a clan that Shredder poisoned for almost 2 decades. And when I finish, I'll destroy Orokusaki and his empire. Once and for all.
Life isn't about revenge, sis. Come back to the lair with us. Master Splinter would love to see you.
No. I have to carve out my own destiny.
Fine, we're leaving.
First, I want my Tanto back. Now!
If you want it back, take it from her. I mean, shouldn't be hard for a Kunoichi, right?
Fine by me. I wanted a rematch anyway. Why, you little...
I'm stopping this.
Let her fight her own battles.
Little red bird.
All right, that's enough, Shini. Give her the Tanto back.
Easy, April. Don't let that weirdo get to you. Calm down. Come on, this place is lame anyway. We're going to an awesome place. The sewers. Booyah Kasha. Nah.